Welcome to Vulcan Quick Cuts. Let's talk about oil filtration. With built-in filtration, fryer oil can last 5 to 10 days in many operations. But in heavy volume frying, especially without filtration, that same oil might only last 1 to 3 days. The difference isn't luck or even the type of oil, it's how the oil is managed. So how do you know when oil actually needs to be changed? It's not just when it looks dark. Oil should be changed when it starts smoking at normal frying temperatures, when it foams excessively, when it smells rancid or bitter, when food cooks unevenly, or when it fails a simple oil test strip. Color alone isn't the best indicator because clean oil can darken naturally and still fry well. So, knowing when to change your oil is important, but what you do before that point matters even more. The real goal is building healthy fryer habits, and the biggest one is filtering regularly. With built-in filtration on the Vulcan QuickFry, that process is made simple. Open the drain, press and hold the filter button, polish the oil based on your operations protocol, close the drain, fill. That's it. No waiting, no complicated steps, and no pulling the fryer out of service longer than it needs to be. Because when filtration is easy, it actually happens. Oil lasts longer, food cooks better, and you're back to service faster.